हाँ सर, ऐसे झंडे इलेक्शन तुम्ही करून येतात.
चालू हा. Now because of this pandemic and all, I think it is slightly slow. Still apprehension is there in people's mind basically. But things are going on smoothly. I feel what government should give more powers to the ZP. There is no much importance it looks like as far as ZP elections are concerned compared to other elections, panchayat election and all. Because ZP, as far as even finance is concerned, hardly ZP is been funded. Because if you go to see in a year, I think one ZP member basically gets around 10 lakhs rupees to spend in his full constituency or full ward. And sometimes in one ward of a ZP, there are three panchayats. So it becomes difficult. It is hardly any 2.5 lakhs rupees. What can you do? I think and government should give some more powers to the ZP, make it more important and more sustainable.
So a lot of protest is going on this state. Do you think there will be any impact on BJP?
No, there should not be any impact on See, as far as what BJP is doing is doing development of the basically of the full state. I understand regarding some railway double tracking and other issues are going on. But see what the now some people who have been affected, they are also making I think they also should be heard. But overall, government is doing development of the state.
असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाची सेमीफायनल असं असे वाटतं.
अरे सेमीफायनल तो आहे का नाही सगळ्यांचं इलेक्शन फायनल असतं सेमीफायनल म्हणून आता जर सपोज तू कितें जिंकलो हे सेमीफायनलीक आपण जिंकलो आमी सुसेगाद न्हिदलो इट विल बी लायक अ रेस बिटवीन अ हेर एंड अ टॉटॉयज आमी सुसेगाद न्हिदलो बाबा आपण सेमीफायनल म्हणून जिंकलो आता फायनल आपण आपशें जिंकतलो एवरी इलेक्शन इज अ फायनल यू शुड नॉट टेक वोटर्स फॉर ग्रांटेड I believe that. So importance is every election is important. Semi-final, final, and there is an earth not there.
This time, how much expectation is there? BJP will take how many seats will
lead.
See, BJP will win both the thing, ZP councils.
सर
I have no doubt whatsoever.
ओके आता पळयत जाल्यार सगळ्या पोलिंग थोडे रॅम चलना थोडे कोण हे कितें म्हणटा तेजो गन ना सॅनिटायझर सो हाव इज इट
Gun behind Pongna, but there was sanitizer. But I understand at distance, social distancing now. I think that is not been followed. But now what to do? I cannot understand. Because then after even if that is been followed, if you go to see, then it will take a very long time basically for the voting. But I think this as far as the sanitizer and all the other things should be the same. Now as far as gun and all is not there. That I did not see. But sanitizer and all is there.
पण आता 4 ते 5 स्पेशल कोविड पेशंटा खातीर बऱ्यो कशें पळयता तुमी सर कित्याक इट वील बी रिस्क फॉर दॅम
See, I think government must have taken, or the health ministry must have taken precautions, and there must be certain guidelines as far as when those people come in. So I have not seen that, but there must be some guidelines. So now let us wait. As I told you, with all 100% will give a clean sweep as far as the city is concerned.